Hey there. Yeah, we're not in a heat wave, but it is still like ranging between 27 to 30 degrees, but I feel like we're just getting used to it now. And the nights are much cooler. But what I am genuinely craving so much is rain. Like, I just want one burst of rain just to really drain the whole garden and just bring it back to life, because everything just feels so dry. It feels like my flowers are all dying. The vegetable patch is looking sad. I think it just needs, there's no amount of watering that you can do that can just burst it to life like a good rainfall can do, but we've got no rain forecast. I have planted some seeds inside and I want to plant some more because harvests haven't been that amazing this year, but I didn't expect it to be because we've just had a baby. She's only 5 months old. We were quite busy at the time when lots of things were going on for preparing seeds and whatever else. But yeah, I know now that I can start preparing for autumn harvests, which I really want to try and do. But yeah, I don't know, it's just even though we're not in a proper heat wave, it's still sunny and hot, and it just makes me feel so lazy. But yeah, I'm just doing a tidy up in the garden now. I've just cleared away the slabby area. The garden's a bit muddy and dirty because we're building the rabbit enclosure. My husband did the door frame yesterday, started it anyway. I'll show you that in a bit. But yeah, I'm just going through the garden, doing a bit of a tidy up. Chickens are being noisy. I think she might be laying an egg. And it's a mess because of the heat, the chickens like to dig themselves into the soil, and it cools them down. So they're digging in between my plants, but sometimes they're digging so far that the plants are being uprooted. So I've put pots in between them, but essentially what I want to do is just fill the gaps. So maybe hydrangeas and things like that. I want to fill all the gaps so it's just a flower bed with no gaps for them to dig into, no open soil. So that's the goal there. So at the moment it just looks a mess because I've put pots and random things in between to deter them from digging in that space. But yeah, I'm going to carry on tidying in the garden. I feel like I want to empty the vegetable patch soon. The beetroots are almost done. The onions look really sad, so I feel like taking them out. And the carrots have been there for ages and they're quite overcrowded, so I just feel like harvesting them all and then replanting some more in hope that I can get another harvest from them. Isn't it?
You put that in. Warning.
Just taking out these because I wanted to see how big they are. They're tiny little, almost like spring onions. Hey there! Oh, I really feel like I've had a bit of a garden slump this last week. We've been quite busy, we've had some things on, but yeah, it's no excuse because there's lots to do in the garden. I think waking up these past few days to my seeds sprouting, my little babies, and some here as well, and you can just tell that they really need to be potted separately now, like these ones as well. These are pumpkins. The roots are underneath.
I'm making a whole bow over here.
Are you?
And all these round and then falling in there.
Oh, Baba did it deep so the rabbit can make burrows too. So it's all secure.
I made a big burrow.
So now we need to shift all of this ground and this soil back in, don't we? Is that what you boys are helping with?
Yeah.
Filling up your wheelbarrow, then pouring it in. Enter the vegetable patch. So much growth. Some of the marigolds popped up that I planted. Gonna harvest some of these courgettes later when I make my pasta sauce. There's a really big one over here. It's a good size, isn't it? I'm gonna check the carrots now. See how they've been doing. Oh, I pulled it and broke it. They're small at the moment, aren't they? I'll try one more, but I think I might need to wait a bit longer then. It's not coming out easily. They're not easy to take out. I don't know if there's a technique, but it's like the soil is not that loose to pull them out. So half of that carrot is underneath there now. I can't get to him. It's there, look, can you see? I might just have to give up on him. Yeah, some of them are just baby carrots like that. I don't know if they would grow. I think because we've had no rain, the soil is so dry. Ah, I'm breaking it again. Found the other end of one and it would have been quite decent put together. So I'm going to carry on trying to harvest them and thin them out at the same time. But I probably won't harvest all of them. I'll just do enough for my pasta sauce today. Because they're not very easy to take out. I'm so nervous to take it out because I don't want to break them. That one's just small. Oh, I've broken it again. Why do I keep doing that? I just want one to come out all in one. Ah! There we go, my first all-in-one. Yay! I had a Google and I think it's because I've got them so tightly packed in there. That's why they're breaking. So it says to gently push down and then pull up. So I'm going to try again because I feel like just harvesting these and planting some more, but not so close together. So I'm going to try again. Find a good one to harvest. And let's use that technique that they've said to push down and then pull up. So there's one here, look. I'm going to try that technique with this one here. So push down. Oh, almost got it all out, but that one was going to be a big one actually. I'm going to keep going because I'm getting the hang of it now. So yay! Should we try and get some more carrots, Abby? Let's see.
Yeah.
Mummy's just trying to push and pull. Ah!
That's a bigger carrot.
Yeah!
It's a bigger carrot.
Yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger, aren't they? Yeah, let's try.
Hey, Dad, what else?
Oh yeah.
I'm going to bake that one.
There we go. Yummy. Some of the grass has grown.
The others didn't grow.
I know, this side hasn't grown very well. Put these pumpkins into these pots. Repot them from the tray. There's a lot, but they probably won't all make it.
I'm not your cane. I'm your cane.
Could be a bit straighter.
Like that?
Yeah.
I'm your cane.
Okay, this is proper straight.
Baba, this Baba. I'm a straight.
Yeah, it feels straight, doesn't it?
Thank you.
Put it in the compost tonight.
Yeah. Because those seeds didn't sprout, so I thought no need to waste the compost. Just gonna give them a little water. Fascinating has occurred. The pumpkins are letting out like a flower like this. Is that normal? That looks like a rose or something. These are definitely pumpkins that I sowed, that I planted as well. Is that just how the pumpkin flower is? Is it pink? Can anybody help me? This courgette looks ready. Or should I let him grow a little bit more? He looks like a good size. I think I'm going to take him before. Yeah. A few orangey tomatoes. Especially these cherry ones. These ones have been a bit speedier. The other ones are still fruiting.
Have gone to bed.
I've filled those gaps now. Let's see if anything grows.
Is over, but it's still running round your head. And the abundant.
So we might be getting some light rain shortly. Which would be amazing, and it is 50% chance rain tomorrow as well, so it's a nice way to wrap up this vlog with the hope of rain. We've made some good progress on the rabbit enclosure, just need to do the roof and finish off the door, and I've planted some seeds, and I'm getting out of my gardening slump now. I think I was just having a bit of a slump. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.